Hello friends, I welcome you in today's class. Today we are going to learn narration. You know there are two types of narration, that is direct narration and indirect narration. Direct narration is also called as direct speech and indirect narration is also called as indirect speech. So what is meant by direct speech? Quoting the actual words of the speaker is called as direct speech, and without quoting the actual words of the speaker is called as indirect speech. So dear friends, let us see the example. Narendra Modi says, "You are your caretakers." So there are two parts in this example, and these two parts are reporting verb and reporting speech. Narendra Modi says this part is the reporting verb, and you are your caretakers. This part is the reporting speech. So if you want to change direct speech into indirect speech in assertive sentence, we have to follow some guidelines, that is called rules and regulation. Let us see the example. Narendra Modi says, "You are your caretakers." In this example, Narendra Modi says is reporting verb and "you are your caretakers." This is the reporting speech. Let us change it into indirect speech. Narendra Modi says that they are their caretakers. So what type of sentence we have done in this sentence? We have removed comma and inverted comma by using that, and we have also changed the pronouns you become they, and are is are, and your becomes their, and caretakers. So the in indirect speech, the example is Narendra Modi says that they are their caretakers. So let us see the another example in direct speech. Narendra Modi said, "You are your caretakers." And in indirect speech, the example is Narendra Modi said that they are their caretakers. So friends, in sentence number one and in sentence number two, there is difference. What is difference? First sentence is in present tense. Narendra Modi says. The reporting verb is in present tense, and in second sentence, the reporting verb Narendra Modi said, the reporting verb is in past tense. पहिल्या वाक्यात आणि दुसऱ्या वाक्यात एक बेसिक फरक आहे. रिपोर्टिंग व्हर्बचा विचार केल्यास नरेंद्र मोदी सेज रिपोर्टिंग व्हर्ब प्रेझेंट टेन्स मध्ये आहे, आणि दुसऱ्या वाक्यामध्ये सेड नरेंद्र मोदी सेड हे पास्ट टेन्स मध्ये आहे, भूतकाळामध्ये आहे. परंतु रिपोर्टिंग स्पीच मधील दोन्ही वाक्य सारखेच आहे. यू आर युअर केअरटेकर्स. इथे दोन्ही वाक्य यू आर युअर केअरटेकर्स अँड यू आर युअर केअरटेकर्स हे दोन्ही वाक्य सारखे आहे. परंतु दोन्ही वाक्यातील इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच मध्ये आपल्याला बदल झालेला दिसतो. पहिलं वाक्य जे आहे ते प्रेझेंट टेन्स मध्येच आहे, परंतु दुसरं वाक्य जे आहे ते रिपोर्टिंग व्हर्ब पास्ट टेन्स मध्ये असल्यामुळे ते वाक्य पास्ट टेन्स मध्ये लिहिलेलं आहे. तर विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, बघूया आणखी पुन्हा आपल्याला यामध्ये काय चेंजेस करावे लागेल. सो डिअर फ्रेंड्स, in direct narration, inverted commas are used to mark off the actual words of the speaker. डायरेक्ट स्पीच मध्ये किंवा डायरेक्ट नॅरेशन मध्ये ऍक्च्युअल वर्ड्स ऑफ द स्पीकर असतात. जो वक्ता जसा बोलतो त्याचे शब्द जसेच्या तसेच तिथे दिलेले असतात. जसे की झाशी की राणी ने कहा कि मैं मेरी झांसी नहीं दूंगी, मैं मेरी झांसी नहीं दूंगी हे ऍक्च्युअल वर्ड्स ऑफ द स्पीकर आहे. झाशी राणीने म्हटलेले ते शब्द आहे. इन इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच वी डू नॉट कोट, परंतु आपण इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच मध्ये ते शब्द जसे तसे कोट करत नाही. सो रूल्स फॉर चेंजिंग द नॅरेशन आपल्याला बदलण्यासाठी काय काय नियम पाळावे लागतात, कोणकोणते नियम वापरावे लागतात. सो रूल नंबर 1, यूज ऑफ दॅट ऍज अ कंजंक्शन अँड रिमूव्ह कॉमा अँड इन्व्हर्टेड कॉमाज. कॉमा आणि इन्व्हर्टेड कॉमा काढून टाकायचे असतात. दॅट हे कंजंक्शन वापरायचे असते. कंजंक्शनला आपण कनेक्टिव्ह सुद्धा असं म्हणतो. सेकंड, डू नॉट चेंज द टेन्स ऑफ द रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब. रिपोर्टिंग वर्बचा टेन्स आपल्याला चेंज करायचा नाहीये. इफ इट इज इन प्रेझेंट टेन्स, आणि प्रेझेंट टेन्स मध्ये जर असेल तर से आणि सेजचा वापर केला जातो. और इन फ्युचर टेन्स शॉल से और विल से या शब्दांचा वापर केला जातो, तर ते पण बदलायचे नाही आपल्याला. द प्रोनाउन्स आर चेंज ॲज पर नीड, आणि अकॉर्डिंग टू द नीड वी हॅव टू चेंज द प्रोनाउन्स. सर्वनामामध्ये बदल करावा लागतो गरजेप्रमाणे. क्रमांक 4, इन इनडायरेक्ट नॅरेशन सेड टू बिकम्स टोल्ड, आणि जर समजा रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब जर सेड टू असेल तर त्याचा आपण टोल्ड करतो इनडायरेक्ट नॅरेशन करत असताना. नंबर 5, इफ द रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब इज इन द पास्ट टेन्स, रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब पास्ट टेन्स मध्ये जर असेल, द कोटेड सेंटेन्स, कोटेशन मध्ये दिलेलं सेंटेन्स म्हणजे डायरेक्ट स्पीच मधलं सेंटेन्स, त्याच्यामध्ये चेंज करायचे. द कोटेड सेंटेन्स आर चेंज इनटू द फॉलोइंग मॅनर. So in this way we have to change the sentence from direct speech to indirect speech. If the direct speech is in simple present tense, then we have to change it into simple past tense. Present continuous tense becomes past continuous tense, present perfect tense becomes past perfect tense, present perfect continuous tense becomes past perfect continuous tense, simple past tense become past perfect tense, and past continuous tense become past perfect continuous tense, present perfect tense becomes past perfect tense, and past perfect continuous tense becomes past perfect continuous tense. There is no change at all. In future tense, if we use shall will, we have to use shall will in future tense and it becomes conditional would. shall will च्या ऐवजी would चा वापर करावा लागतो. And in other modal auxiliaries or auxiliary verbs, we have to change in the way that can, to, could, may, might, must or had to, do, does, did, could, should, did becomes did or had done, was becomes was or had been, where becomes where or had been, would becomes would, must becomes must, am is becomes was, and are becomes where. Universal truth remains unchanged. Thoughts, proverbs are also remains unchanged. If the reporting verb is in present tense and we use say or says as reporting verb, then remains unchanged, or future tense shall will say remains unchanged. Then the words showing nearness in time or place are changed into words showing distance. Nearness to distance. We have to change the words which shows nearness in time or place. In indirect speech, if there is a this this, it becomes that that. So this becomes those, now becomes then, here become there, ago becomes before, today become that day, tonight becomes that night, and tomorrow becomes the next day. So some other words are also given here. Yesterday becomes the previous day or the day before. Last night becomes the previous night or the night before. Next week becomes the following week. Last week becomes the previous week. Hence become thence. Hither becomes thither, and thus become so. So dear friends, we have seen the important rules about the narration. You have listened this video very carefully, you have watched it. So I say thank you to all of you. Thank you.